Hello students, and welcome to the next lesson in our AS level economics course. Today we're going to be learning about the price elasticity of supply. What is PES? PES stands for the price elasticity of supply, and it measures the responsiveness of a quantity supplied following a change in price. The elasticity refers to the inclination of the supply curve on a supply graph. So we're first going to look at relatively elastic graphs. As we can see, the supply curve on this graph is relatively elastic because it is much flatter. It doesn't have such a steep gradient, and as a result we can see that it moves at a, slower rate from the bottom left hand corner to the right. Now if we put on point A onto our graph and then move it down to point B, we can see that a small change in price is going to have a big difference in quantity supplied in relatively elastic graphs. So an elastic graph is a small change in price equals big change in quantity supplied. Now a relatively inelastic graph is the other way around. Now the curve is much steeper, and if we can plot on point A and move that to point B, we can see that a change in price is not going to have such a big change in quantity supplied. So that makes it inelastic. We can calculate PES using a formula, and it's this: the percentage change in the quantity supplied divided by the percentage change in price. Now let's do an example. Here we have some data. We have to work out the PES. So firstly, we have to work out the percentage change in the quantity supplied. This is the difference between 71 and 93, which is 22, divided by the original value of 71. Then we multiply this by 100 to get us 31. Then we have to calculate the percentage change in the price. We do this by getting 20, the difference between 80 and 60, dividing it by the original value and multiplying it by 100, which gives us 33. Then we do 31, our original value of the percentage change in quantity supplied, divided by 33.3, which is the percentage change in the price, to give us a total of 0.9. The value obtained will tell us something about the elasticity of supply. We just got 0.9, and 0.9 is less than 1. However, if the score was more than 1, it would be relatively elastic, with the graph looking like this. If the score was 1, or the value is 1, the graph would have unitary elasticity. But like we got, if the score was less than 1, it's going to be relatively inelastic, just like the graph we have seen now. Factors affecting the price elasticity of supply. The following factors can affect the price elasticity of supply of a good. The first of which is productive efficiency. If there's less productive efficiency, it's going to be more elastic. This is because you have more of a potential to output more if you change the price. The level of stocks. If there are more stocks, naturally, it's going to be more elastic, because just like that of productive efficiency, if you change the quantity supplied, the price is going to change, and you have more potential to do so. Here are some questions on the price elasticity of supply. Have a go at answering these on another sheet of paper by pausing the video, and then hit play whenever you're ready to see the answers. Here are the answers. If you got these right, congratulations. I'd advise you to move on to the next video, which will be on supply and demand graphs. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.